unplugged. Fun few days next to this 130 something year old wooden boat. Not such a bad neighbor, right, Kevin?
Yeah, nobody home.
Nobody home. Okay, hand me that.
Okay, don't dunk it.
I'm not dunking it. That's it. We're underway. Bye-bye, Madeira.
Hello, Canary Islands.
Yeah.
As you can see behind us, we're departing Funchal in Madeira, and we have a bit of wind right now, but I don't think it's going to last until we get to our destination, which is Lanzarote, or actually just before Lanzarote, just north of Lanzarote, Isla Graciosa, and Canary Islands.
We're going back to Spain.
Back to Spain.
This is, I guess, not quite day 2. It's the next morning on our passage, and conditions are really nice. Talk about smooth sailing. This is smooth sailing. The sea state's really calm. The wind is a bit fluctuating, but it's not out of control. So sometimes we're cruising at 8 knots, sometimes 6, which is okay. But it's also really nice to be on a faster boat because we end up seeing some other boats that we're catching up to and passing, which is really gratifying. Knowing that this boat left many hours before we did yesterday, and yet we've caught it and we're passing it. Land ho!
Not too choppy out here, enough for you to read.
It's quite comfortable.
Land ho. She might have already said that, but I didn't.
Taking the sail down, and it is hot here. Very hot. We've decided to do a morning excursion. Well, can't really see it very well, but I'm gonna go up that mountain. It's a beautiful day. The Canary Islands. Good morning, Kevin.
Good morning, hike time.
Hike time. Looks like the hillside melted. We're going all the way over there. That way.
Morning walk. Sweet.
So we got invited to a potluck this evening, which I think we're late for already. But a bunch of the boaters are getting together at the beach and scrambling to make
Sushis.
This is the production. So I'm gonna finish it. We're gonna go. Decided to go for a trek in the desert.
Actually, we're walking to town.
We're walking to town. It just looks like the desert. Town is over that ridge right there.
No signs, except for a couple street signs.
It's very deserted.
Yeah. I feel like I'm about to enter like a shoot house. Scenario or something like that. Just like dirt streets and empty buildings.
Bigger town than it seemed. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, good. Been up a little bit.
It's a little green out down there.
Yeah. But it cleans up all right. Nothing. There's no hard growth. No barnacles or anything yet.
Yeah. There's very little wind, no current, no waves, so we're just kind of bobbing around. The anchor's not doing a whole lot right now, but if the wind picks up, it will.
Going right over the anchorage. What you got?
It's we have these back home. It's just a shell. It's like an urchin.
Yeah.
It's a sea urchin shell. And it's like a baby abalone.
Huh. Look at that.
How shiny it is.
Yeah, it looks so shiny. Cool.
I'm told this is the California look.
You look very California. I don't know why.
I don't know why.
Super relaxed and cool. Long hair. Reflective sunglasses.
I don't know. Somebody's up there flying around the mountains.
Now we're in Marina Lanzarote, which is Arrecife. Lanzarote? Arrecife? Pronunciation is not me so far. Anyway, we haven't checked in yet. We just got on the dock and tied up, and we'll see what kind of facilities they have. It's always a bit of a gamble. The docks look really good condition though.
It's a nice little cafe here. Cafe restaurant.
Here's nachos.
Intense game of Connect 4 going on right here.
Where do I stick the little thing? There we go. Pretty nice marina. Look at this dock. Doesn't squeak. Doesn't make a lot of noise. It's in good shape. Can't trip on it. I'm trying. It's not working.
It's a bit slippery.
Ramp's a bit slippery.
It's a bit slippery. We just met up with the crew from Django. And one of their crew is going home. But I helped the other two. It's pretty good. Probably see them later. So that's the town over there. It's Arrecife? Arrecife?
Yeah. Whale skeleton. 11 meters long female. 8,000 kilograms. Stranded in the island of Tenerife in 95. Your turn.
Say futuristic.
There we go, rifled barrels.
Rifled
It's not
barrels.
your original cannon.
No, they are rifled. Look, you can see the grooves here is the rifling.
Make the ball spin.
That's it. More accurate. It's a neat little castle though. St. Gabriel Castle. Leaving Marina Lanzarote. Next stop, Rubicon.
West is best, east is least. Actually, this one is saying east is best. Let's go to the west.
No, that's an east, Cardinal Buoy. Just cruising along at, I don't know, 5.7, 5.6 knots of speed, jib only.
No hurry.
No hurry. You're looking a little bit like a drowned rat this morning.
That's the first thing we've dropped.
What happened?
My sunglasses fell in the water. I had to swim.
But it was a successful rescue?
Yeah, the bamboo arms actually.
Oh.
They sank really slowly. Oh. Boats. Kick everything.
We're gonna check out some caves this morning. But it's a lava vent, I guess. Look at the...
Oh yeah. The street?
Yeah.
The mayor? Stratified, it's sedimentary. Or what do they call it? If it's like sedimentary, or it's one thing and it's been changed, it's a metamorphic rock. Changed by heat.
That also did end.
Also a dead end.
The sand is so soft. Your feet just like sink when you walk. Like a cushion. Look at the color. Crab. All right, let's see. Well, evidence that Kevin was here. Oh, it keeps going. Ooh. I'm not interested in it's called spelunking. Well, now that we've explored this cave, I think we're going to head topside. Hike along the cliffs. It looks pretty neat. Bunch of trails. So green. Some islands in the distance over there.
Yeah. The big one over there is Ventura, and then the one that's kind of looks like there's a bit that's closer. I think that's Isla de Lobos, which I think is like wolf.
I think you're right.
Wolves Island.
It's like wild tomato plants.
Yeah, pretty random. You never see wild tomato plants. And there's
Well-
one on the ground that's like gonna go bad.
Oh, they're cherry tomatoes. Oh, Kevin, this is gonna be like delicious. I mean, there are more. There's more that are ready. Oops, blocking out the sun.
Like this guy.
Cheers. Lanzarote has some nice beaches. Weather, lovely. fully anti-clockwise, it says.
Open.
No, that's clockwise. You
That's
just
clockwise. Open. Okay.
And there's the pump unit. And we have the plug going into an outlet in there, alternating current. This hose goes overboard and it's our supply hose. There's a net on the outside, a rough filter. Yes, the water comes in here, gets pressurized, goes through this filter first, gets pressurized, following the black cable to the membrane. Goes through this one and this one. The green hose goes overboard for a brine solution, a more salty water. And then the white one is the product clean water.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're the expert. Do the honors.
Hit the button.
Yeah.
Here goes nothing. Yeah.
Putting out the air. There you go. There's your brine
There we go.
coming out.
So
now we
now-
just increase the pressure slowly.
Yeah. That's it. We're there.
And the product hose.
Fresh water.
Theoretically,
well, not
that's
yet.
our fresh water, but it's the first time we're running it. Run it for half an hour to get any preservatives and storage things out of the unit. So,
Yeah.
clean water.
In the tank.
Figure it'd take about an hour and 20 minutes to fill it from empty. So that's what we're gonna do.
All right. GoPro test.
Test. Pickles.
What kind of candy you got there?
Madeira candy. Hard candy. Catch.
Whoop. Thank you.